back to the channel. So this year for Christmas I got a new Dragy because the old one, the battery is pretty well shot. But instead of throwing it away, I'm going to put a new battery in it. So I thought this video might help somebody. If you got a Dragy where the battery's pretty well shot, you can see how to replace it. Okay, so all you got to do, there's just two screws holding it in. Just peel back the sticker. You need a little Phillips screwdriver. And you just pry the side here. And there's the battery. Now you can go in here and heat up the solder and pull them wires right out of the board, but instead of doing that, I'm just gonna spice the wires in. It's just easier that way. Okay, so when you do cut the wire, just cut one at a time. Don't cut them both at the same time. You can short out the battery. Okay, and then the battery's glued in there. You have to get something to pry it out with. I might be able to just do it with my fingers. I don't know here. Okay, yeah. And then here's the new battery. I got it off Amazon. All you got to do is just type in that that number there, I believe. They look pretty much the same. Yeah, I don't know how well that's coming on camera, but they look to be the same. So we're going to do the same here, cut these wires, but again, just cut one at a time. That way you don't short the battery. I don't know if these will strip the wire or not. Okay, we'll just do one at a time. That way we don't short the wires. Do the red. Place the new battery in here. Okay, so now we'll just take these two wires and we'll put a little heat shrink on here. Okay, now you can put a little solder on that, which I probably should, but I'm just gonna rely on the heat shrink to hold that together. I'll heat it. Let that cool before we put any tension on it. Now we'll strip the ground wire. Okay, some heat on the heat shrink. Okay, now we should be able to stuff them wires in. Okay, so just put our screws back in. Okay, so we're outside. There. So we got the video on. Anyway guys, that's all there is to it. Hope this video helps somebody out, might save you a little bit of money, and we'll catch you in the next one.